the 1960s, Ford's quest for revenge against Ferrari for a failed takeover deal gave birth to an iconic motorsports legend, the Ford GT40. Henry Ford's desire to challenge Ferrari's dominance at the 24 Hours of Le Mans was the driving force behind this audacious project. A dedicated team, including Roy Lunn, Carroll Shelby, Eric Broadley, and John Wyer, was assembled to bring the GT40 to life. The project initially kicked off in England, with the GT40 designed to be 2 inches lower than its precursor, Broadley's Lola GT. Bruce McLaren led the testing efforts, addressing aerodynamic issues by adding a spoiler. The GT40 was prepped for its debut in the 1964 season. However, early races were fraught with disappointments. Despite its blazing speed, the GT40S struggled with endurance, and technical failures marred their performance. The low point came at Le Mans, where all 3 Ford cars retired just 12 hours into the race. In response, the operation was moved to the United States, with Carroll Shelby taking the reins. This shift marked a turning point in the GT40's history, setting the stage for a remarkable comeback that eventually led to a triumphant first, second, and third-place finishes at Le Mans, ending Ferrari's reign.